Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting. So today, very interesting question, sum of infinite terms. How to prove that summation of n equals to 1 to infinity n minus 1 factorial over x plus 1 into x plus 2 into up to x plus n equals to 1 over x. Or we have to prove x into summation n equals to 1 to infinity n minus 1 factorial by x plus 1 into x plus 2 up to x plus n equals to 1. Or again I am rearranging this question as we have to prove summation of n minus 1 to infinity. This will be multiplying n both in the numerator and denominator. It will be x plus 1 x plus n equals to 1. What does it mean? It can be rewritten as n factorial into x over plus 1 up to x plus n equals to 1. Why I have written in this form? Because I'll apply one concept, that is your x over n into x plus n can be written as 1 over n minus 1 over x plus n. So I have a motive of this making into two series and taking the telescopic sum. So n, applying some critical thinking, I can write n factorial into x over n into x plus 1 up to x plus n can be written as difference of two series. One is n minus 1 factorial for x plus 1, x plus 2 up to x plus n minus 1 minus second one is n factorial over x plus 1 into x plus 2 up to x plus n. So summation of n equals to 1 to infinity your n factorial into x over n into x plus 1 to x plus n equals to n minus 1. The summation I have to write. Summation of n equals to 1 to infinity your minus 1 factorial or x plus 1, x plus 2 up to x plus n minus 1 minus your n factorial by x plus 1 into x plus n up to x plus n. So before taking n equals to 1 and 2, I'll rearrange it as this denominator as factorial. You know that x plus 1 into x plus 2 up to x plus n is nothing but your x plus n factorial over x factorial. And the first one, x plus 1 up to x plus n minus 1 equals to x plus n minus 1 factorial over x factorial. So simplifying this, so it's summation of n equals to 1 to infinity, it will be n minus 1 factorial. X factorial will be in the numerator. Here it will be x plus n minus 1 factorial. And second one will be n factorial into x factorial by x plus n factorial. Now I will take the telescopic sum. First is n equals to 1. That time the sum will be x factorial, n minus 1 is 0 factorial into 1 factorial, 0 factorial over n is 1, so it will be x factorial minus n is 1 x factorial, here it will be x plus 1 factorial. Now when n equals to 2, it will be your 1 factorial into x factorial over x plus 1 factorial minus x factorial into 2 factorial over x plus 2 factorial. And we will put n equals to 3. It will be, sum will be 2 factorial into x factorial over x plus 2 factorial minus, it will be 3 factorial x factorial over x plus 3 factorial, so on. So when we'll take the sum, you can, these are cancelled. As you go up to infinity, when n tends to infinity, the terms are divergent, as the denominator is large in comparison to numerator. Summation of n equals to 1 to infinity, this will become only the first term, x factorial by x factorial. So n factorial to x plus 1, x plus n equals to here into x equals to 1, x factorial by x factorial, that will be 1. Hence proved.